Kodiak Robotics, a leading self-driving trucking company, became the first company in the industry to demonstrate that its autonomous technology, the Kodiak Driver, can maintain complete control of the truck when it suffers a catastrophic tire blowout. A video release shows a Kodiak self-driving truck rolling over a test rig that punctures the front driver's side tire of a Kodiak Class 8 tractor while the autonomous technology is engaged. Even after the tire is destroyed, the Kodiak Driver stays in control and brings the truck to a safe and complete stop while maintaining its lane in a straight line. Tire blowouts are among the major safety risks that can occur on the road. A front tire blowout instantly causes trucks to behave erratically and unpredictably, potentially resulting in a loss of control, jackknifing, or other extremely dangerous situations. One of the safety benefits of Kodiak's self-driving trucks is the ability to instantly react to the change in vehicle dynamics. In the case of the blown tire, the truck compensates for the failed tire by applying an entirely different steering angle. This exercise has been repeated multiple times, and Kodiak truck's consistent ability to maintain its lane positioning illustrates the adaptability and control of the Kodiak Driver.